Mug cakes are so easy to make and actually taste like cake. One of the best things about mug cakes is that it creates a single serving, which is perfect for moderation. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Start by pouring the flour, granulated sugar, and baking powder into the cup. Stir until combined, breaking up any flour clumps. Add milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and funfetti sprinkles. Stir until combined, making sure to mix in any flour at the bottom and sides of the cup. Place in the microwave for 55 seconds. Add frosting, whipped cream, or eat it plain and enjoy. Pouring the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and unsweetened cocoa powder into the cup. Stir until combined, breaking up any flour clumps and mixing the cocoa powder into the mixture evenly. Add milk, vegetable oil, and chocolate chips. Stir until combined, making sure to mix in any flour at the bottom and sides of the cup. Place in the microwave for 55 seconds. Add whipped cream, frosting, or eat it plain and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.